Hello out there, you lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new and watching my video for the first time, my name is Gitanjali Garg. I am back with another video on my channel today where I am going to be doing a get ready with me makeup video for my YouTube videos. It is going to be a pretty different video from the rest of the videos on my channel because if you might have seen the rest of the videos, this is something that I've never done. This is the first makeup video on my channel. You guys have made me do it. I am actually coming out of my comfort zone for this video, and since most of my viewers on my channel are female viewers, I just thought let's just give it a shot. Why not? And I know you guys, your attention span is less than 6 minutes, so before you start watching some other video and stop watching this one, let's just dive right into it. Welcome back, you guys. Before I move on with the topic of today's video, I really want to tell you that this is not a sponsored video. None of the products that I'm using in this video are for promotion. This is not a paid promotion. I am not promoting any of the products in this video. If you want to know more about the products, you can also put it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer you. So starting on with the topic, which is get ready with me makeup video. I have already prepped my skin with my skincare. If you guys want me to make a skincare video separately, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to make that video as well. And the first step that I follow is going to be this primer. This is my favorite primer. It is actually a primerizer. I love using this before I apply my makeup on my face. This is actually a part of your skincare and makeup both. So I usually take a small amount of it on the back of my hands, and using my flat brush, I am going to simply spread it on my face. Not a lot of amount, just a little pea-sized amount. By the way, I like putting dewy finish makeup on my face. I do not prefer a lot of matte products or products with matte finish. I hope it makes sense. And also, let me tell you, I'm not a pro at makeup. So if you guys see any flaws, if you are good at makeup and if you see any flaws or mistakes, please bear with me and ignore it for now. I've been getting a lot of compliments on my makeup, but I just feel I think there's a lot more that I need to learn about makeup. So once I'm done with applying my primerizer, which is primer and moisturizer, the first thing that I apply as makeup on my face is the concealer. And I'm just going to directly go with this, put it in the inner corner and the outer corner. Same goes for the other side of my face. Also, I feel that there is this pigmentation that I have around my lips, and I'm going to hide that as well, and any dark spots that you see on my face, I'm going to hide them as well. Now with my concealer brush, I am just going to blend it lightly. I just love this concealer a lot. It's actually medium coverage concealer, and you will see the difference after I'm done blending it. I'm going to try my best possible to be mentioning each and every step, but still if I miss something, do let me know in the comment section. Just for your information, now I have a Telegram channel as well, so you guys can go and subscribe me on my Telegram channel. Link for that is also mentioned in the description box already. I'll be blending this area around my lips as well. This is basically just my first step to hide any kind of flaws that I have on my face. So now that I'm done with my concealer, the second step that I'm going to follow is applying my foundation. With concealer, I've just hidden all my flaws, and this is what I basically do. I don't know whether it's right or wrong. I'm not giving you any makeup tips. Again, I'm just saying that it's a get ready with me makeup video. The next step that I'm going to follow is put my foundation. Again, I do not use a matte foundation. I use a foundation stick, which I really like. It gives me this dewy finish, and that is what I love about this. It doesn't feel like I've applied anything on my face. So I'm going to just directly go with this and put it all over my face. the best part is that it gives a very natural finish. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm going to take my foundation brush. It's a flat brush, as you can see, it's a very flat brush. I'm going to use this in the direction of my hair. I'm going to blend it all over my face nicely. And you can already see that this foundation is giving me such a nice dewy finish. Don't worry if there is any kind of patchiness that you can see, because the next step that I usually do is take this stippling brush that I have. It's a nice stippling buffing brush is what we call this brush. And I'm just going to lightly buff my foundation with this brush for it to give me more of natural finish. Now my concealer and my foundation is done. If you guys still see this darkness, don't worry about it. We are going to cover it later on with a full coverage concealer. But the next step is going to be filling my eyebrows. I am going to use this eyebrow sculptor that I have. It's a very famous brand. I'm sure you might be knowing about this brand. What I'm going to do is I'm using it in the shade 4.5, and what I'm going to basically do is just fill in the sparse areas. I don't know whether you guys can see it, but I'm trying my best for you to see it properly. I'm going to just draw a line on the base of the eyebrows and fill in my sparse areas. I've always found it difficult to make my eyebrows. I don't know, somehow I have been doing makeup since 7 to 8 years of my life, but I have never been able to make them equal. I think this is something that every woman or every girl faces. I have never been able to draw them equally. But anyway, okay, so I have already filled in the sparse areas, and what I'm going to do is, if you can see this line, I'm going to blend this with my spoolie. The best part about this applicator is that it comes with a spoolie on the other end. And yeah, I think I'm done with one of the eyebrows. Now goes the other one. I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eyebrow. Just filling in the sparse areas and blending it well with the spoolie. Still, if I feel there is some empty space that I need to fill in, I go back with the applicator and apply some more product. And yeah, I guess I'm done with my eyebrows. If there are any flaws, please do ignore for now, or you can let me know in the comment section. I will definitely kinda work on it and correct it in my next video. This is how I make my eyebrows. Now what I'm going to do is take my full coverage concealer and cover this darkness that you can see here. I have this full coverage concealer that I basically use for this one. So I'm going to take this on the back of my hands again, and using my beauty blender here, I'm going to just take a small amount of it on the tip of the beauty blender, and I'm going to directly go and kind of tap it on my under eye. You can already see the difference. It has kind of also highlighted this area in some way and also covered this darkness. Dark circles is something that I've always had since my childhood. This is something that has been in my life throughout, and I've kind of used all sorts of things to minimize them, but I think it's more about your sleep and your eating patterns and how much water you intake in a day. Whatever is left on my hand, I'm going to use it around my lips. I have some pigmentation, as I said before, and I use the same concealer around my lips as well. I guess the darkness has reduced. Now the next step is my favorite step. This is wherein I add some color on my face. So the next step is going to be this tint that I use as a blush. I do not like using a powder blush because of the same reason that it gives a matte finish, and I go with this tint for my face. I'm going to just tap it and blend directly with my finger. I think it's unequal. I need to put some more tint on this side. This is my left side. I need to put a little bit more on this side. Also, for my shopping days or on the days where I do not like doing a lot of makeup or it's not a special event or a wedding, I like going on with this look. This is a very subtle and natural look. With the same tint, I am going to fill in my lips. My lips are chapped right now, but don't worry, I'm going to apply another layer of a lip balm. That's a lot of color for my lips, and I'm going to go with a lip balm over these lips, and that also somehow gives a shine to my lips as well. Now that I'm done with my blush and my lips, the next step is going to be giving some shine, some dimension, and for that I'm going to use my cream concealer that I have. I'm going to just simply take a small amount of it on my ring finger, and I'm going to simply just tap it on the cheekbones. You can see the difference already. Just a small amount to give that extra glow on my face. And I like putting this on my forehead as well. Not a lot of it, just a small amount for it to sync with the shine that I have on my cheeks. Basically all the high points of my face is what I use it on. So as you can see, I've got this shine on my face, a little bit of glow, which I really love. I just love giving glow to my face. I love dewy finish foundation. I just cannot go with matte finish foundation. The last step is going to be my mascara for my eyelashes. Now again, I'm just going to lightly put this mascara. I don't like using mascara for my lower eyelashes, so I skip that step. I like this kind of nude look for my face and my eyes. And yeah, I think I'm done with my face. I am just going to set this up with my setting spray. Again, I'm going to take the setting spray and close my eyes and set my makeup with this. So yeah, I'm done with my makeup, and this is how my hair is usually. I don't do a lot with my hair. This is my natural hair, and I'm just going to leave it open. I just comb them here naturally, not a lot of it. If I see any baby hair or any strands standing out, what I basically do is I just take this hairspray that I have, and I'm just going to spray it from a distance. And yes, my hair is done. I usually use this tail comb when I have to comb my hair for shoot days. Otherwise, I use my normal paddle brush. So yeah, that's all about my look. This is how you find me in most of my videos. That was a get ready with me video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is how I do my makeup and my hair and get ready for my YouTube videos. And while I conclude this video, I really want to mention that makeup is just another way to enhance your outer personality, and it has nothing to do with how beautiful you are inside. I hope you guys liked my video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I've observed most of my viewers on my channel are not subscribed. Your subscription doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me in keep staying motivated and keep keep going on this journey. Please help me in achieving 500 subscribers threshold. If you are watching this video and haven't subscribed to my video till now, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Till then, keep smiling and be happy. Thank you for watching till the end. I love you all. Bye bye.